Good morning, children. Today we are discussing about the chapter 6, that is the factors and multiples. Chapter 6, factors and multiples. Okay, what is the factor and what is the multiples? First, factor. Factor is a number which divides a given number without leaving remainder. Means remainder is 0. Those numbers we will call is a factor. When two numbers are multiplied, two numbers are multiplied each other, we will get the product. We will get the product. Those two numbers also we will say factor of the given number. Suppose for example here 2 into 3 we got here 6. Next 7 into 4 we got here 28. See, first factor what I told, whenever we are dividing the number without leaving the remainder. Means what? See, suppose I am taking 6 here, 6 is 2, 2 3 just 6 is without leaving remainder. The remainder we got here 0. The next should be 6, again I am repeating, then 3 here, 3 2 just 6, again here remaining 0, remainder is 0. See here, seeing these, observing these two, whenever we are dividing 6, we got here remainder is 0. Means what? Here factors of 6 is 2 comma 3 units. Okay, see, same way 7 and 4 also. See here, if we are dividing with 7, then 7 4s are 28, the leaving remainder is 0. The next one, next also again, see here 28, then taking here 7. 7 4s are 28, we got here remainder is 0. The next one, now here divisor place I am taking here 4, 4 7s are 28, the remainder should be 0. Means what? Here also we will say factors of 28 is equal 7 comma 4. This way we will say about the factors. Means what? Whenever we are dividing one number with another number, the remainder should be is 0. Those numbers we will call factors of the number. The next it will be multiple. What is the multiples? Whenever we are dividing two numbers, whenever we are multiplying two numbers, we will get the product. We will get the product. That product what we got, that is a multiple of the two numbers. For example, see 2 3 just 6 we will say. See here 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3 we will say. Before what in that factors I explained, 2 comma 3 are factors of 6 I told in the factors definitions. Then now in this we have to say here 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Here also in the same way, the 28 is a multiple of 7 and 4. This way we have to discuss about the factors and multiples. Now today first we are discussing about the factors. The heading is factors. What is the factor? Just now I told, when two numbers are multiplied with each other or to get the product, then the number is a factor of the number. Suppose, for example, I am taking here 48. 48, which table will go? Which numbers is completely divisible? With the remainder should be 0. Those I will say here. Next one, see 48 1 ja 48. And 48 is a even number, should compulsory is divisible by 2. Means what? See here, 24 into 2 is 48 we will get. Okay, 24 into 2, 48. Next it will be 60 into 3, we will get the 48. Okay, next one. 12 into 4 also is a 48. Next, 6 8s are 48. See, 48 is divisible by 1, 48 table divisible by 48, and 1, 24, 2, 16, 3, 12 table and 4 table, 6 table and 8 table. See, for example, how it will be possible means I will take here 48 here, 2 table and 3 here, 2 2 ja 4 and 0 here, draw 8 here, 2 4 ja 8. Here also subtraction, here coefficient how much it will be? 24. 24 into whenever we are multiplying divisor and coefficient, we will get the dividend. By the same way, 24 table also 2 times will go, remainder will come 0. This is the process. Next, again see here, it will be possible or not for 48 3 here, 3 1 ja 3. Now subtract 1, then draw 8 here, 3 6 ja 18. We got again remainder here 0. Then we have the 48 is a product of the 16 and 3. Means what? 3 table also we will got here remainder 0. In the 16 table also we will get the remainder is 0. By the same way, 4 table 48 it will be 4 1 ja 4. Then should be here 0. 4 2 ja 8. How many times we got? 12 times. In 4 table 12 times is 48. Next 6 8 ja 48. You know directly. Okay. This is the way. See here, now what it will be? The 48 divisible by 1 divided by 48, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6, 2, 16, 24 and 48. In these all components we will say is a factors of 48. See here, now we have to write here factors of 48 is equal to what we will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. All these we will say is the factors of the 48. This is the way we have to finding the factors of the numbers. See here, I only explain about the 48, only one number. This or we have to write like this, or we have to do the division method of finding of the factors. See, whatever it will be, the two methods. This method it will be also finding of factors. This method also useful for this comparing these both. This is a very easy for you. What? Why? Because of compulsory. In one table every number is divisible by 1. Every number is divisible by 1. We will write like that. Then one more it will be, if the number is even number, if the number is even number, the number is divisible by 2 we will see. Okay now, the next it will be, that's why one is a compulsory, we will say is a factor of every number. One is a divisible by, okay, every number compulsory should divisible by 1. So we will say one is a factor of every number. One is a factor of every number. By the same way, every number is divisible by same itself. Means take 2. 2 table 2 1 times will go. 3 table will take 3 1 ja 3. 4 table 4 1 ja 4. 5 table 5 1 ja 4. Means what? Every number is divisible by itself. Means what? Factors, every number is having two factors. Means one it will be added itself. Whatever number if they will give, then that is the number itself. Okay children, next class I will explain about the properties of factors. Okay, thank you.